This video presentation, Help for Tinnitus with Trigger Point Treatments, is brought to you by www.besthelpfortinnitus.com. There can be help for tinnitus with trigger point work. Trigger point injections of the neck and jaw muscles can often temporarily abolish tinnitus. There was a large research project of 178 non-primary care ENT patients. The research showed that within 5 to 10 days of the injection, the symptoms of ringing disappeared in approximately 15% of these patients. After a 6-month period, the last trigger point injection, about 1/3 of the people felt improvement versus about 15% of the control group. The research also discovered that most neck tension occurred on the side which also had the tinnitus. Women were shown to respond better than men, and a type of tinnitus that was described as chirping in its sound responded better than other descriptions. Anecdotally, there was a woman who had a recent onset of tinnitus in her right ear, which she was also deaf in due to a labyrinthectomy 12 years prior. Her right ear tinnitus was associated with headache at the base of the skull that radiated to the top of her head and the eye area. With injections to her neck muscles, trigger points, her headaches and tinnitus were both resolved very quickly. She had 8 rounds of injections, with relief ranging from several days to 4 weeks. A second person had mid-neck pain that radiated in to the left part of their face and eye with associated tinnitus in the left ear. Injections were administered into the left neck muscle trigger points, and this resulted in relief of both the pain and tinnitus for approximately 4 months. The use of massage and stretching of trigger points has also been reported to help tinnitus in some people for short periods, up to for 24 hours. However, the best way to get more guaranteed relief from tinnitus is to use an all-natural approach, don't just treat the symptoms, correct the underlying problem. There are a great number of people who have used a system like this to gain tremendous relief from their tinnitus. For the most effective tinnitus cures, treatments and remedies, go to www.besthelpfortinnitus.com.